wouldn't be a vlog without going to Target. Go to Target 5 days a week. I'm serious. Alright, here we are at the gas station. I had to bring my own sour cream to breakfast this morning. So this is my little thing that I put in my salad box. You know, what brand is this? Sistema. It has a little dressing thing, so I filled it with sour cream. So when we go to breakfast this morning, this is what I'll be taking. How are you? Excuse my voice. A restaurant with no sour cream. Come on. Like, when I asked, oh God, he's shaking the car. He's over there getting gas. I don't know if you can see him. That's not funny. Hell. But I was very confused. Like, how are you a restaurant with no gas? I mean, we at the gas station. Look, I'm confused. Why are you a restaurant with no sour cream? And they sell, like, I think Mexican food too, and you don't have sour cream. My lips are really dry. Anyway, stay tuned for breakfast. What'd you get, babe?
One of the moose. It's a moose omelet. I made it. I put it into a scramble.
A scramble?
Yeah, a scramble.
Okay.
Yeah.
And coffee?
Yeah, coffee. Basically ready.
Ham and cheese omelet for me. Hash browns. And I know that I'll be able to eat it all, but most of it.
And your green sauce, meatballs.
So this is the real reason that we came all this way, so that he could go to the salon, Hammer and Nails. I first learned about it watching One Church LA with Pastor Teray and Sarah Jakes Roberts, and the founder of the salon was saying how he came up with the idea and just telling his story. I will link that video down below if I can find it. But it's a wonderful salon that caters towards men. It seems really comfortable. They do manicures, they do pedicures, and they do haircuts in there. They have their own products as well as other products that you can purchase. And the treatments, you know, are just like any other spa. It's really comfortable in there. They give you these big, comfy leather chairs to sit in. They give you also headphones and a big TV screen that you can look at while your service is being done. And they also give you a complimentary drink so that you can get beer, you can get wine, I think, you can get alcohol, or you can get water or soda. I would suggest that if you have one near you, you should definitely check it out and support this business. It's an awesome place for men to go. Okay, so while he was at Hammer and Nails, I decided to go down the street to Nordstrom Rack to look for some shoes. And they didn't really have a lot going on in that store. But the next clip, these shoes here are the ones that I bought, which I really like, but the right foot doesn't fit. So we'll see.
Okay, what is it supposed to be? You say Wing Shop. You got everything that Wingstop has. You got the same sign in the window, the same tables and everything. Look, so I get y'all in there, kind of everything the same. It's crazy. It's like, so you just bought a Wingstop and then just changed the name but kept all the same fixtures and the signs and stuff. Did you keep the same wings and the same flavors? I mean, what's really good with that?
This wing shop thing is so weird. I don't eat wings, if y'all don't know, but we went to Havoc next door and that was pretty good. But wing shop, that's a no.
Man?
Oh yes.
No, man.
Your favorite store.
No.
Look at this trifecta here.
No, man. This is horrible.
Home Goods. Next to Home Goods, Joann
Horrible.
and Target, all in one shopping center.
All the shit I don't like.
Thank you, Lord.
I like Target, but this told this Joanne we can keep.
How awesome is that? Look at God, won't he will? He's a way maker. Yes, he is. Won't he will? Look at this, Joann. Target is really where we're going. We just have to pick up an order and pick up a few things, but I'm coming back here. Definitely. Definitely. Okay, so you know how the Cartwheel app is now called Circle? Does anybody know why? I mean, it looks like it's the same exact thing to me, so why change the name? That's kind of weird. All right, I'm gonna go in here now. It wouldn't be a vlog without going to Target. Go to Target 5 days a week. I'm serious. I probably do. Target and the grocery store 5 days a week. I'm always forgetting something. That's all you.
With
You
the
are a cookie
hood,
monster.
With the cookie hood and the googly eyes.
Oh yeah. That's you at 2 a.m. eating up all the cookies. They got the thick girl in the Halloween pajamas. I need to get some since we don't get no trick-or-treaters. But they've kind of started to put out the Christmas stuff. That's exciting. Onesie pajamas. Oh yeah, the Hogwarts one is cute. That looks hot though.
You got the short ass shorts on to cool y'all. Cool y'all wearing caps. What is it, giraffe or dinosaur?
Shout out to Kelly.
Dinosaur.
I know she would want to get this one.
Like Jack Skellington's. Maybe Harry Potter. I just like
This was me today. I did not get my coffee on the way here, and I was very upset. but I'm an adult and I can't flip out, so had to remain calm. I don't know about the honey cornbread, but look at honey graham, yeah. And the blue batter is just black. Okay, now this is a real wing stop. That wing shop, somebody just had to buy it and just keep all the stuff. They said, why, you know, fix it if it ain't broke, just change the name, I guess. But yeah, this is exactly the same.
What is that supposed to mean?
That means let me up.
And who are you?